Alright, so second alarm, Detroit, Michigan, on St. Jean and Shoemaker, east side, St. Jean and Shoemaker, down the street from Squad 6's quarters, the former quarters of Ladder 19. We've got a fire in a single-story bus garage, heavy fire, partial collapse, blah, 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 second alarm, it's going. All the units that probably would have been on the first alarm were operating on a dwelling fire in 52's area. So you got companies from all over Eastern Bit to this job. This job has been very challenging because they would not let us on the property, so kind of had to pull the vehicle up against the fence and get on the roof. So I'm not driving 10 hours to get locked out, you know what I'm saying? Ain't letting that happen. I may not make the cover of fire engineering with this job, but we'll give it that college try. You know what's up. If I was aerial scope and I wanted to get some publicity, I would donate an aerial scope to the Detroit Fire Department in hopes that they would have great success with it, because they would. And yeah, maybe that would help boost sales of that joint. Alright, for everyone tuning in, Detroit, Michigan, second alarm, St. Jean and Shoemaker, east side. How many fires have I been to so far? Let's see, we got this deuce, we got a house fire just before this, a house fire going throughout before that, we got a dwelling fire. I'll just say the ones I got out of the car. We had one on the border of Hamtramck in Detroit, so I don't know, probably 5 jobs, and we've been here since like 3 o'clock this afternoon. And it's winter, so around here it usually slows down. You get better quality jobs, just less, but tonight seems to be a good night to be here, so somewhere in the Periscope world, I think Alex Fire Chaser has a drone up of this,